sent me your budgets. Voluntarily. I've seen crime scenes with fewer red flags. The doctor will see you now. Patient 1, 26 years old, makes $3,800 a month, spends $4,100. That's not a budget, sweetheart. That's a countdown. And there it is. $700 a month on food delivery. $700. That's $8,000 a year. That's a whole Roth IRA, you walking DoorDash receipt. Prescription. The shredder. The fix. Groceries. $300 a month. Cook like an adult. That one change flips this clown from -300 to +100. Patient 1 might live. Patient 2, 34, makes $90,000 a year. Net worth, -12,000. How do you even do that? That takes talent. Evil, stupid talent. Follow the string, people. $1,100 a month truck payment. $400 a month boat payment. He doesn't own a lake house, people. He owns a parking problem. High earner. Zero gap. Sell the boat, Brandon. He used it twice. $1,500 a month back. Invested. Is $500,000 in 20 years. The boat was never worth $500,000, Brandon. One more. Give me strength. Patient 3, 22. Makes $2,900 a month. Rent eats $1,500. Tight. But watch this. Saves $200 a month. Never misses. This one I respect. Broke? Yes. Losing? No. $200 a month at 22 beats $2,000 at 45. Compounding cares when you start. Not how rich you feel. The rarest award I give. 3 budgets. 1 countdown, 1 parking problem, 1 machine. Which one are you? Wrong. You're the first one. You know you're the first one. Send me your budget. Link below. I read everyone and I roast the worst on this show. Free therapy from a man in a tank top who is better than you. Diagnosis complete. Now go fix your countdown before it hits 0. You're welcome, peasants.